If you have kids, pets, or just can't seem to avoid grimy spills and stains, take this as your sign to add the Bissell Little Green Machine to your Amazon cart. In just 5 minutes, this upholstery cleaner transforms any surface, from stained couch cushions to car seats, rugs, and carpet. To assemble, fill the cleaning tank with the included cleaning solution. Then add water. When you're ready to get cleaning, press the spray button to wet the area and scrub with the tool in an upward motion. I mean, just look how it effortlessly cleans spilled coffee off my white couch and removes juice stains from the carpet. The included cleaning solution and brush are like a magic eraser on any upholstery. When you're done picking up spills and stains, dump the dirty water tank, rinse the vacuum brush, and enjoy your luxuriously clean space. Trust us, every home needs this life-saving gadget.